Oh, look at that. That's a Chase Blue Luka Doncic. Another Sky Warp. Oh, is this the Penguin? Yep. $5 for that. Wow, somebody took the whole top row. That's crazy. Oh, wait, hold on. Spawn and anti-spawn back here. I'll probably grab this one instead. Model 9, that's on the comic. Whoa, that's a crazy price hike from $2.99. Right, YouTube, you know who I am. I'm Milo Martin. This is nothing like nostalgia. Welcome to Con XXIV, where I'm undefeated 23 for 23 and finding new collectibles every single Con. Let's go, let's check this out. This is going to be a one-stop shop, so let's get it. All right, so at the beginning of the toy aisle, here goes a Cuphead right here. $8, that's pretty cool. Devil's Throne Cuphead. Oh, look at that, that's a Chase Blue Luka Doncic. I cannot pronounce his last name. $15 that is. Got Shaquille. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like they got a lot of new stuff. What's this? Set of 4. That's pretty cool. Got Chucky, his wife, Michael Myers, and I have no idea who that is. They Live. Okay. See what else we got here. Still $15. Somebody done opened this up still. Same one from last time. Let's see. Wow, somebody took the whole top row. That's crazy. Come on. Let's do better, guys. Let's do better. SpongeBob Trouble. I might have to dig through some of these things here. Not saying anything as of yet. $5 for this Apex Ravens Bite. Okay. Mario Kart. Let's see. What are these back here? Oh, I thought it was something else. Alright. See what else we got? Sonic Prime action figures here. $25. See what else? That's a new one. It's another Trey Young. What are these up here? Yeah, this is huge. Whoa, $35 for this. Okay, that's K-pop, BTS, Butter. Wow. Boruto up there. So high, the shelves. Luffy. That's new. Trey Young, another Luka Doncic. Tons of new statues. Oh, is this the Penguin? Yep. $5 for that. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see. Oh, look at this. $13. Oh, this is new. Wow, this is only $4. Crazy. The other ones were $5. Probably wind up getting one of those. It's not bad. Let me just put it here for now. Apex. That's new. Whoa, that's a crazy price hike from $2.99. They've literally doubled the price. These will sit here. Wow. Ross is trying to condense the market. Regular pricing, that's kind of crazy. Oh wait, hold on. Spawn and anti-spawn back here. I'll probably grab this one instead. Yeah. Alright. That's crazy. There's an Amy right here. It's a nice Amy. Alright. Let's check out the center section, see what we got. The center section, sorry, the music is pretty loud here. Shaquille O'Neal there. Trae Young. Kevin Durant. Another Shaq. They're really going in with these little NBA bobblehead lookalikes. Oh, Spinneret. That's pretty cool. How much is she? $5? Is it supposed to be like that? Upside down? I don't know. Look at Poison Ivy here from the Harley Quinn show. Pretty cool. Chainsaw Man. It's another 4. Another Sonic. Gunslinger. Yeah. So crazy how these are cheaper. They're $1 cheaper now. Or were they always $4? I don't remember. I thought they were $4.99 before. I could be wrong. Man, let's change this section around. See what else. Man, they literally like just dumped everything here. This was much more spread out. You can pretty much see what they have here. Lots of stuff for the kiddos. Okay. So Casey Jones. It's that Minnie Mouse set. Alright, let's go up front now. Just trying to see if I missed anything here. I don't want to touch anything because everything will fall. Mad Rocks and Monoxide. Twisted. I think that was Peacemaker before he fell. Yep. John Cena, his underwear. Okay, let's go up front. Alright, so up front, Gang Orca. He's probably $5. Yep, $5. Another Poison Ivy. Charlotte again. Let's see what else. There's a mess kind of up here too. Who is this? That's Soundwave, right? Oh, Shockwave. Oh, look at this. There's the other Iron Man right here. Model 9, that's from the comic. It's pretty cool. $12.99. Let's see if there's any She-Hulks. Nope. No She-Hulks. All those are Sonics. And I think that's pretty much it here for up front. I believe. Yep, that's it for up front here. Okay, well there was more here. They never have anything here. Look at that. Another Sky Warp. The question is, should I get him or should I not? This one feels a little odd. Here's another Sky Warp. Some Beast, Mandalorian stuff. Mission Fleet. Another Axe Wolves. Let's see. Oh, Kitty Pryde. Alright, I believe that's it. Jujutsu Kaisen. There's another Axe Wolves. Yep. Alright. Keep on going back just in case I missed anything, and I did. It's the HK-87 Assassin Droid from Ahsoka series. $7. I mean, man, you know, I hate to say, but they're definitely going up in price on a lot of this stuff. It's unfortunate. These would have been $5.99 last year. That was $3.99. I mean, a lot of this stuff is going up in price, unfortunately. I think they're catching on to the market, or they're just trying to match the market or be right under the market. So it's unfortunate for us collectors, but What can we do? It is what it is. You know, either leave it there until they get marked down or not buy it. All right, YouTube, so that does it for Con 24. Man, I'm 24 for 24. If I can be 25 for 25, that'd be great. I would love it. But got that new Iron Man, saw the Penguin, the comic Iron Man, I think it was Model 7. Found another Skywarp, the new Spawn, 2 packs that are $3.99. So there's stuff popping up, man. There's stuff popping up. So run to your Raws. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, click that subscribe button. Go ahead, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in Con 25. And as I always say, stay nostalgic.